Hi everyone, my name is Daniel Meerjane, and today we're going to be talking about the different types of CCTV cameras. If you're looking at CCTV for your premises or for your residential home, today we're going to go through the types of cameras that would suit you. First up, we have our dome cameras. Dome cameras you see in offices, you see in schools, you see in various sectors. They're probably your most common cameras. Now these are shaped as a dome, hence the name, but they're also good for its wide angle lens and also its varifocal feature. Next up, we have our bullet cameras. These are ideal for external use, mounted on the corners of buildings. They also have IR, which is infrared. That means you can view images crystal clear in the nighttime and in the daytime. Now we have our PTZ cameras, also known as your pan-tilt zoom cameras. These fully functional cameras are far more sophisticated than your standard static cameras. They're ideal for your larger sites when you want to zoom in and zoom out of a certain area. Next up, we have your C-mount cameras. Now, C-mount cameras are fairly niche, but they're ideal if you want to tailor the vision of the camera, which means you could take the lens on and off of the camera to suit you. Infrared cameras. This usually comes as standard in modern day cameras, but what the infrared does is allows you to view footage in the evening time, almost like it's daytime. If you would like to stream footage directly from your phone, then the network IP cameras are perfect for you. This is all linked through your Wi-Fi, which makes it easy to view footage, whether at your residential property or your business when you're commuting or out and about. Next up, we have your wireless cameras. Now these cameras are perfect if you're renting a space for a certain amount of time and you're not there permanently, or if you don't have mains power that's readily available, but mainly so you don't see any mess with cable. And there you have it, the 7 types of CCTV cameras. If you need more information on CCTV and video surveillance, feel free to reach out to myself or a member of the Clearway team. Thank you for watching.